Hi, Matt Capell here with Capell Flooring and Interiors here in Meridian, Idaho. Hey, I've got another quick carpet buying tip for you today. Some carpets come in a good, better, and best. And what's nice about this when they do that is they come in all the same colors. There's just different thicknesses. So the good, the better, and the best, it gets thicker as you go. One thing to keep in mind too, when carpet does this, the good is actually good. I know in some industries good, better, best, good's code for not so good, but it's actually really good. A couple other things to keep in mind. It's always best to fill the bigger sample when making a selection for fill and how you like it. And then on the back, it's always best back here to use this for color. The other thing to keep in mind too is if a sample board has a good, a better, and a best, the samples on the back usually are the best, and which in this case they're the best. So again, for fill, it's not the best to fill the little ones anyway. It's always best to fill the bigger ones like here. So hopefully that tip helps. I find also with good, better, and best, sometimes if you need to save a little bit of money, you can put like the better or the best in your favorite areas in your house, and then you can put the good in other areas like your kids' bedrooms or things like that. Don't worry, I love kids, but I'm just saying. You can save some money and then have the same color throughout the house, just different weights. And so hopefully that tip helps, and I appreciate you taking time to watch this video. If you have any questions, please comment, like, or share it, and I'll be sure to respond to you. Thanks so much.